My name is Matthew Kerr, and I'm from Chalkle. We make it easy to run learning businesses on the internet, but that's business writ large. We support any course where people gather into the same place in order to learn anything from the community. We have hundreds of providers, including like OSOS up there, but we also have a lot of little guys. This is a pottery course that runs over 8 weeks, and he just repeats this over and over again. And this is really like, OSOS is great, but this is really what we're about. We want to see learning come out of the community. The idea that we have is that anybody can teach and anybody can learn, and everybody has different things that they want to teach and different things that they want to learn. We've learned that there's a set of blockers to education and learning moving between groups of people. Some of those are administrative, things like event information and booking platforms and your cancellations, and a lot of that's kind of boring and it's kind of stuff that's done a lot, although those problems are harder than you think. And some of those are more like community or social or soft problems. Those are things like permission, like do I feel like I know enough about JavaScript to teach it? Those are things like discussions, like how do we develop our curricula. Social media, if I have a class, how do I know anyone's going to come? How do I engage people in traditional and new ways? And these are the kind of things that Chalkle really wants and has really learned are the sort of really important things that people need to have sort of confidence in order to trade information, trade knowledge across these boundaries. So basically, I wanted like a really clear example of how this can work and how we understand knowledge across the population. So you have like things that you know, and you have things that you don't, things that you want to learn. And so one day you might be, Julie at the top might be teaching pottery to all of these people, and the next day she'll be learning Mandarin from somebody who was in her class the other day. The goal is to create real learning networks across the whole community, and it's really like open sourcing all of these learning opportunities. The technology is designed to enable connections between skills and learners. And that's Chalkle.